Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove someone from close friends on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. First of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. And then you can tap on your profile. Tap on the three lines on the up right corner over here. There's an option, close friends. Tap on that. So here's the account that I just added from close friend. You can remove all of this account from your close friends, or you just can choose one. I will choose this account from my close friend. You can tap on here. You can click done. Now when you made a story, when you make a post that you only share for your close friend, that account won't be able to see your story. As example, I will make a story. I'll make a story like this. I will share the story only for my close friend list. You can share only for your close friends. Now I will switch to my account that I just removed from my close friend. Let's refresh the page, and you can see there's no story from my account, from my other account. So that is how to remove someone from close friends list on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!